Hello again to fans of unscripted waffling about models I've made. This one again quickly, Tucano, Airfix, City of Leeds display example from the 90s, and from an 80s kit. It's a bit of a tail sitter if the shelf isn't exactly level, so most of the time just a touch. See, it's all very balanced, isn't it? Very will it, won't it. Problem with this, I put the decals on too close to each other, so I put that one on first, so it meant I had a squeeze to get that one on afterwards in any shape, and they're not in line exactly. Also the propeller I had to glue in place because it was dangling from the front rather than sitting nicely snug with the engine compartment, as it would be a little bit tricky with the decals on to get the det code for the ejector smasher canopy mechanism. I painted this in matte black and then over painted it in a clear gloss varnish by Revel, I believe. I've painted red dots at the end to simulate the well, covers, I suppose you could call them, like corks that they put them in to stop birds trying to nest in them, I suppose, overnight, in exhausts, because they were flat moulded at the end, so I didn't have the drill to drill them out at the time to make them look like tubes. Not a bad moulding, 1980s. Because of the various things wrong with it, I'm not sure I'll be too bothered if it gets broken, but it's the only example I know of a Tucano, the Embraer Tucano, which Shorts built, and sadly we're going to stop flying them from next year, I believe, gone private with the Beechcraft modern version, but that's up to them. Right, Tucano, City of Leeds display version, a little bit off balanced, but aren't we all? Bye.